How to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. This tutorial shows you how to either temporarily hide or permanently remove your Facebook account through the Account Center on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings to open your Facebook settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Following this, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the Account Center page. Once done, tap on your Facebook account from the list. From here, tap the Manage button right next to your account name. At this stage, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to see both options. After this, choose either Deactivate Account to temporarily hide your profile or Delete Account to permanently remove it. Once completed, follow the on-screen prompts, select a reason, and enter your password when prompted. Finally, tap Continue to confirm your choice and the process will be completed right away. If you chose to deactivate, your account will be hidden until you log back in to reactivate it. If you chose to delete, Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period before your account is permanently removed. Logging back in within that time will automatically cancel the deletion. And that's it. If this guide helped you deactivate or delete your Facebook account, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.